kĩeha maithori nĩ igũmĩire andũ a nyũmba na arata igongona-inĩ rĩa kũririkana mĩtũrĩre ya andũ 32 arĩa makuire kiumia kĩhĩtũku.
Daraja hili limeua watu wengi sana, na si lazima watu wafe ndio sasa watu wengi wafe ndio serikali ikuje. Sasa hivi wanasema wanatoa milioni 600 waweze kutengeneza ile daraja. Ilikuwa ni lazima watu wafe ndio serikali ifanyie watu wa mwingi kazi.
Ukienda uangalie hiyo barabara, the worth of it is just a total joke. Kwa hivyo hii corruption itazidi kumaliza watu, na ndio tunasema hii si kifo ya kawaida, hii tunaichukua kama mada. Ni mtu amepanga kuua wananchi wa Kenya.
It is not only the Ezio River, but we also need to fix all the other bridges that are very dangerous when it comes to floods. We are in the lower eastern, and at times the rains might not be too much within our area, but when it rains up there, the rains will always come and they will always be able to cause a lot of havoc, damage, and then you get such tragedies.
Igongona rĩrĩ rĩtongoretio nĩ Mũthikabu Joseph Mwongera ũrĩa ũrũgamĩrĩire kanitha wa Gatoliki Diocese ya Kitui, na gũgekinywo nĩ kĩrĩndĩ kĩnene kĩa etĩkia na atongoria hamwe na gavana wa Kitui Charity Ngilu na Minister Monica Juma.
Kwa hivyo yangu nikisema hii pole sana, naseme we have been assured in the Bible that God will wipe away our tears from each eye. There shall be no more death, there shall be no more crying, and everything will be new.
Rais Kenyatta is in Tanzania for an official visit, but he has expressed his sadness at the tragedy and loss of life. He sends his prayers and condolences.
Tuombe ili wale walituacha Mwenyezi Mungu akaribishe kwake, waishi naye milele, watufungulie njia, na sisi siku yetu ikifika twende kwa Mungu.
Aria igongona-inĩ rĩrĩ macakaĩte makiuga mũtino ũcio nĩ ũtigĩte igũtha inene kũrĩ bamĩrĩ, itũra oro na bũrũri.
Hawa watu wetu zaidi kuwa na huzuni, wako na machungu sana. Machungu kwa sababu wanaona ni kama serikali, especially the national government executive, imewaachilia kuhusu huo mto. Karibu kila mwaka kukinyesha tunakuwa na maafa katika sehemu hiyo ya huo mto.
When the accident of Ezio River happened, the government promised to do the bridge. We are hoping that it is not another failed promise. What they promised to do, they are actually going to make sure that they do it. And as leaders, our eyes are open to make sure that is done.
Harĩ andũ acio 32, 15 ao nĩ amemba akwa ya kanitha wa Gatoliki wa St. Joseph Mwingi arĩa mahofanĩirio mũtino-inĩ ũcio. Ngiribotera Inooro TV niĩ njĩtagwo Peter Mwangi.